So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! It's me, Blippi! Whoa! And look at what it is! Whoa! It's an airplane! Today, I'm at Air at the Boeing Field in Seattle, Washington. And you and I are gonna learn about, yep, airplanes. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Hey, let's learn the exterior parts of the airplane. Do you see this? This is the nose of the airplane. Do you know why it's called the nose? Yeah, because it looks like a nose. Oh, hey, come over here. Up here, those are the windscreens. They kind of look like windshields. Yeah, just like in cars. Whoa, so you don't get a bunch of bugs in your mouth. Ooh, check out down here. Whoa, kind of looks like a wheel and a tire. Wait a second, that's because it is a wheel and a tire. This is the nose gear. This helps the airplane while it's on the ground. Whoa! This is the cabin entry door. Check it out. Woo! Now we can go inside. Hello? Hello? Okay. Whoa! Whoa, look down here. It's another landing gear. This is the main landing gear. Yeah, it's another wheel and a tire. And there's another one on the other side. Oh, and the windows. Look, that's where the passengers look out from. Hello. Hey, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Whoa, good job! Whoa, what is this? It's a wing! Whoa! Whoa! It's so long! Wow, and it's so shiny! Look! Hello! Hey! Oh! Ooh, come back over here! Wow, that is the jet engine. Do you see it spin in a circle? Whoa, around and around it goes. That's what provides the airplane with all of its power. Whoa, come on. Whoa, and the main body of the aircraft is called a fuselage. Let's go to the back. Oh, wait, see that? That is the empennage. Yeah, the back of the aircraft. Oh, and in here, there's a cargo compartment. You have to open up, just like this. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Oh, you can store a lot of bags in there. Whoa. Oh, and look up here. Wow. That is the horizontal stabilizer fin. That is the vertical stabilizer fin. It helps the aircraft be nice and stable in the air. Whoa. Ooh, another compartment. Wow. Let's open it up and see what's inside. check it out, a bunch of engine stuff. Whoa, so interesting. Hey, I have another compartment to show you. Whoa! Whoa, look! Huh, what does this say? Fuel. 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 Oh, yeah! This is the fuel compartment. What? Oh, check it out. Yeah, that's where the fuel goes. Fuel is kind of like food or water to you and I. Whoa, it's what powers and provides fuel to the jet engine. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! This plane is pretty awesome. There are so many types of planes out there, like this one. This plane is a business plane, and it's a passenger plane. And there's also leisure planes. They look pretty similar. There are agriculture planes. Whoa! There's also cargo planes. Whoa! They can hold a lot of cargo. Hey, yeah, seaplanes. Whoa! Seaplanes can land on land. Ooh, and military planes. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, there are so many types of planes out there. I love planes. Now, let's take a flight inside the airplane. Come on. This is gonna be so much fun. Oh, watch your step. Come on. Whoa, check it out over here. Wow, this is the cockpit, and those are the pilots.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, let's take a seat. Whoa, just like in a car, there's seat belts. Yep, first things first, safety first. You have to buckle up. Okay, this is gonna be so much fun. Whoa! This is cool. Hey, since we're not up in the air yet, let's go check out what the pilots are up to. Whoa, can you see? It's kind of like they're driving a car, but it's actually an airplane. Look. Now we're high in the sky, in the air. We're not touching the ground at all. Here, look. Whoa, did you see that? That's downtown Seattle. And I saw the Seattle Space Needle. Whoa! Wow! That was so much fun flying in this airplane. Hey, maybe next time you travel, you might be able to fly in an airplane. And don't worry, it's not scary. It's actually really safe. Hey, I was just doing the airplane dance. Will you do the airplane dance with me? This is gonna be so much fun. Here, I'll teach you. First, you put up your arms like you're an airplane. Whoa! Whoa! And you dance when you hear the music. But when the music stops, don't move a muscle. Ready? I sure do love acting like an airplane. So peaceful flying in the air. Whoa, it's like I'm a bird. Wait, no, I'm an airplane. Hey, how about we sing the airplane song?
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes are as big as a building, some are as small as a car.
That's amazing!
Some airplanes transport people, some fly near to the stars.
That's far!
Some airplanes fly with propellers, some airplanes fly with jet engines. I love to look up and see their wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane!
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes can land on water, but most land on landing strips.
So versatile!
Some airplanes fly just for fun, some fly for business trips.
Business or pleasure?
You can make an airplane out of paper, throw it in the air and watch it go. I love to look up and see its wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane!
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high.
let's go inside the airplane. Come on! Whoa! Wow! This airplane is so nice! Hey, look! It's a seat, ready just for me. Safety first, you have to buckle up. Ooh, and check this out. Wow! It's like a desk where I can do all of my editing on. Oh, enough of that. I need some water. You have to always remember to hydrate. After a long day of playing, you need to drink a lot of water. Okay, let's put the desk back. Perfect. Ooh, and check out back here. Check it out. It's a sink. Whoa, you can wash your hands right there. Woohoo! It's really important to keep your hands nice and clean. Ooh, and what's this? Aw, looks like a seat, but there's no seat belt. Huh. Whoa! We know what that is. Yeah, that's if you need to use the restroom when you're in the air. Whoa! Wow, I have an idea. Let's go check out the cockpit. Whoa, come on! Whoa! Whoa! This is a really tight squeeze. I don't think the Empire had Wookiees in mind when they designed this cockpit. Okay, anywho, first things first. Safety first. Let's buckle up. Okay. Lap belt secured. And then we need our headset. Hello? Can you hear me? Hey, yeah! Woo! Tower, tower! This is Pilot Blippi. We're ready for takeoff.
Okay, Pilot Blippi, you're good to go.
Yeah, good job. Okay, then you grab the yoke. Whoa, look! Both yokes move at the same time. Whee! Yokes are kind of like steering wheels in a car. Whoa, and look at all of this! There's so many cool gadgets and avionics and buttons. I'm not gonna touch them for now. Ooh, and the throttle. Ooh. Push that forward, and then that's when you go really fast. Whoa! Ooh. And once you're in the air, this is the landing gear. Pull that up, and then the wheels and tires go inside the aircraft. Whoa! Airplanes are so cool. Hello! Whoa! That was so much fun learning about airplanes with you. Well, I should probably get going now. This is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, good job. Thank you so much to Air and Air. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today, I'm in the country of India. Whoa, India is so much fun. Hello? 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 I am having so much fun. Oh, look, flowers. We have a red flower and a yellow flower. They smell so great. We'll put that back right there. I love being in India because everything is so different from the location that I live in, United States of America. Oh, look, coconuts. Whoa, check these out. These are a fruit. They fall from the tree. And I'm gonna get one. We have to wait our turn. Hello. Oh, hello. Can I have a coconut, please? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. And look at this. These are rupees. This is the currency they use in India. Wow. Thank you. All right, thank you. Mmm, so tasty. Oh, and what is this? Whoa, this is a rickshaw. Some countries call them tuk-tuks. And today, you and I are gonna learn about rickshaws and tuk-tuks. Let's go. Whoa! All right, now let's learn the exterior parts of this rickshaw. Come on. Ooh, look at this. The vehicle you probably ride in probably has 2 front wheels and tires. But rickshaws and tuk-tuks only have 1 front wheel and tire and 1 headlight. That's silly. Ooh, and speaking about the number 1, look, this is the windshield wiper. And there's only 1 windshield wiper. It pushes the rain off the windshield. Come here. Look, like I said, the front only has 1 wheel and tire, but the back has 2, just like a normal vehicle. 1, 2. Oh, and how rickshaws and tuk-tuks get all of their power is from the engine. Check this out. Whoa! Look at that! What a powerful engine! Whoa! Interesting. All right, let's say bye to the engine. Put that right there. Oh, come over here. Woo! And up here, this yellow part, this is the canopy. It keeps you inside nice and clean and dry from the rain and the wind when you're driving and sitting inside the rickshaw. Woo! Hello! Hello! Hey, how are you? Whoa! Now we're inside the rickshaw, the auto, the tuk-tuk. Are you comfy?
Yes.
Yeah! Looks so roomy. Whoa, look at all the room. Whoa. Oh, hey! What's this? This is the meter, huh? Let's flip this down. Now we're ready to ride. Whoa! And up here, whoa! This is the steering bar of the rickshaw. This is the throttle. Ring, 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 ring. This is how you steer. And this right here, this is the clutch. Pull this in, push this forward, and then you can change gears. There's 4 gears. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, let me show you something. Oh, gotta get the key out. Yep, the key. Put it in here, but before you turn, you have to put your foot on the brake. So push the brake, turn the ignition. Whoop, whoop, wrong key. Okay, watch this. Listen. Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah!
It's a transportation song. Everybody here is moving along. It's a transportation song.
can walk, you can run on your own 2 feet. You can ride in a car going down the street. You can fly in a plane up in the sky. You can zip along on a motorbike.
I'm a pilot flying a plane.
I'm a conductor conducting a train,
Taking you from place to place.
It's a transportation song. Everybody here is moving along. It's a transportation song.
You can ride go-karts round and round the track. You can roll on skates down a pavement path. You can float on a boat on the open seas. You can gallop on a horse, yippee-ki-yay!
I'm a driver steering a car.
I'm on a boat navigating stars to take you places near and far.
It's a transportation song. Everybody here is moving along. It's a transportation song.
Italy has a gondola. There's camels in the Sahara. In Thailand, just to speed things up, they all take a ride on a little tuk-tuk.
It's a transportation song. Everybody here is moving along. It's a transportation song. It's a transportation song. Everybody here is moving along. It's a transportation song. It's a transportation song. Everybody here is moving along. It's a transportation song.
Now everybody, come along.
Bye-bye. That was so much fun learning about rickshaws with you, also known as tuk-tuks. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you search for my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job!
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! Look at what I have! Ooh! I have some bags of sand toys. And today, we are gonna play in the sand. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, first things first. Let's take off our shoes. The reason why I'm taking off my shoes, whoa! is because sand feels so good on my feet. Wow! Okay, now my other shoe. Yes! Okay, I'll leave my shoes right here. And let me grab the bags and let's go out in the sand. I am so excited to show you all the sand toys that I have. Does this look like a good spot? I think so. Okay, look. Like I said, feels so good on my feet. Okay, I have 1 bag, 2 bags, and 3 bags. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Okay, the first bag has a green and blue toy. We'll play with that in just a little bit. And then, whoa! This has so many other toys in it, like the shovel and that toy. Ooh, a little boat. And some other cool looking toys. Okay, all right. Let's see what bag number 2 has. Whoa! Bag number 2 has a giant dump truck. Whoa! This dump truck is the color red, yellow, and orange. Okay, we're gonna put a bunch of sand in this later. Just like that, but a lot more of it. Okay, and a lot of other toys. A red one and a pink one. An itty bitty one, look. Woo! That's funny. And a scooper. Look at this orange scooper. Okay, and the last bag has, I'm so excited to see what's in this bag. This bag has, whoa, an airplane. Whoa. And a yellow bucket with a red scooper. And some other toys. Okay. Okay, I think we should take the dump truck. Come over here. Come on. Okay, let's put the dump truck right here. Okay, and I need a scooper. Come on. Okay, should we use this big shovel or this orange hand shovel? Let's use this orange one because it's the color of my suspenders and bow tie. Come on. Oh, this sand feels so good in my hands. Get a close-up look at this. Whoa! Whoa! My hands and my feet. Feels so good. Wow. Okay, now let's get a big scoop in the back of the dump truck. See? Okay, let's count them together. Get it all empty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, one more, 11. Oh yeah! Look at, oh, it's so heavy. Wow, look at this giant, oh! Okay, let's dump it out together. Ready? Come this way. Oh, how about right here? Okay, right here. Ready? Beep, 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 beep. Oh, yeah! That was awesome! Let's go get some more toys. Come this way. Okay, look at all the toys. Let's see what other toys. Whoa! Look at this toy. Whoa! Like I said earlier, this toy is the color blue and green. Okay, let's see. Oh, look. I think this goes on top. And then we put sand on top. Come on. Let's put it right where this scooper was. Okay. You might have to get a close-up shot of this later, but let me grab that really big shovel from earlier, right? The shovel? Yeah, okay. Come over here. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Okay, you go over here. Move around here, toys. The shovel's making way. These are the bags from earlier. Okay, consolidation. Okay, great. Now I have the shovel. Okay, let's shovel some sand. Look at this. Wow. Wow. You want to see that again? Whoa! Okay, let's put some in here, and then you can get a close-up shot. Ready? Whoa! Wow, did you see that? One more time. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Oh, come on. You can go. We might need drier sand. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Did you see how fast that spun? Now let me go grab a bucket and go fill it up with water, and we'll try this again with water. Watch. Oh, look! We made it to the water! But I don't have my bathing suit on. So I'm gonna roll up my pants so they don't get wet. Just do a couple rolls up, just like this, okay? And this one as well. Okay. I'm ready to get us some water. Come on. Whoa. Get ready for a wave and I'll scoop up some water. Whoa, here comes the big one. Oh. I got some water. Look. Whoa. See? Whee. Oh, I can't waste it. We gotta go put it in the toy. Come on. Okay, now that we have a full bucket of water, I kind of want to see what it's like pouring water in here, okay? You know how these spin when we put sand in it? Yeah, let's see if we pour water that we got from the ocean in here, if they spin. How does that look? Can you see them? Yeah? Okay. Here we go. Whoa! It's working! Oh, okay, let's fix this one. Okay, ready? Okay, here we go. Yeah! Oh, yeah! It's working! Wow! That was so much fun playing with these sand toys with you. Well, if you want to watch more of my videos, you know what to do. Yep, just search for my name. Do you know how to spell my name? Yeah, let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Yeah, that's my name. Good job and see you again. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello! Whoa! Wow! Come here, balls! Wow!
Look at these colorful balls. Wow! And you know what else is colorful? Yeah! This blue and yellow sailboat. Sailboats get powered by the wind, and I'm blowing it like I'm the wind. Watch! That is so cool! And look, here's another sailboat. This sailboat is the color red and yellow. Whoa! Okay. Whoa! Do you see down there? There's some eggs under the water. These boats and these balls float on top of the water, but look down there. Do you see those? There's a green, yellow, orange, and purple egg. I think we should go under the water and get the colorful eggs. Okay, we're gonna use this guy's help, okay? Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna go under the water. Here he goes. Whee!
can't hold his breath for that long. All right, let's go again and get the green egg. Okay. Yay! Look! He got the green egg! Wow! Okay, green egg. Okay, now let's get the yellow egg. Ready? All right, here I go. Let me jump off the sailboat. Yeah! Woohoo! Look, we got the yellow egg. Wow, good job. All right, 2 more eggs. Oh, gotta lift that up a little bit. Getting a little wet. All right, 2 more eggs. Look, here we go. Here we go. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. All right. All right, here we go. Got the orange egg! Yay! All right, 1 last egg. Wow, 1 more egg. And it's the purple egg. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right, construction worker guy, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. Hold your breath. Whoa! Good job! We did it! Look! It's the purple egg! Wow! That was so much fun getting those eggs from under the water! Whoa! And look, the boats and all the colorful balls. Whoa! Oh no! The boats are sinking! Okay, I'll help them out. All right. Okay. Oh, look! All right, I got a net. I think we should get all these balls out of the hot tub. Ready?
Yeah, I got one! Yahoo! Yellow! Woohoo! Orange! Yeah! Pink! Purple! Whoa! I got 4 in 1! Scoop! Red and pink. Blue and green. 4 more! Red and blue. Green and pink. Green. Orange. Green. Orange, blue. Pink. And last but not least, purple.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
I'm gonna put my face in the water and you can see what I look like while I'm underwater.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm painting. Yeah, I'm actually painting just a regular cardboard box.
check it out. See? I took this cardboard box and I'm painting it. Do you know what I'm painting and making? I'm actually gonna make a lemonade stand. Yeah, I love lemonade. It's so yummy. But a lemonade stand isn't used just to drink your own lemonade. It's so then you can sell lemonade to others. Yeah. So the first thing that you have to do is make a very good-looking lemonade stand so then everyone will want to come try your lemonade. So now that it's all painted, I have these yellow triangle ribbons. And if I put them on here on the top, it will spark some more customers. Okay, let's put some tape right here. There we go. Wow. All right. You see these yellow triangles? Yeah. What is the color yellow that you can think of? Lemonade! Also, the sun is the color yellow. Okay, here we go. And then we actually have a little bit more of this. Wow. Have you ever tried lemonade before? It's really tasty. It's weird because if you just eat a normal lemon, it's really sour. But if you add a lot of water and then some sugar, it'll sweeten it right up and make a nice, refreshing drink. Okay, how about right there? Whoa, it looks so good. All right, we have our lemonade stand, blue and orange, my two favorite colors. We added the yellow banners to bring in more customers, but all these customers are gonna be like, what's Blippi doing? So we need to tell them what we're doing. We're gonna be selling lemonade, $1. So let's put this right here. Perfect. How does this look? Can you tell what I'm here for? Yeah, to sell lemonade. All right, now that we built the stand, now we need to make some lemonade and then we can sell it. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, the first ingredient to lemonade is lemons. There we go. So great that our friend has their very own lemon tree. That definitely saves us a lot of money when we calculate how much this lemonade cost us to make. Okay, all right, see this pitcher? We're gonna put a lot of water, sugar, lemons, and we're gonna spice it up with a little bit of raspberries to make raspberry lemonade. So the first thing that we need to do is to grab our lemons. Yeah, all right. And only grown-ups should use a knife. So we're going to first take a lemon, we're gonna cut it in half and use this device to squeeze out all of the juice, just like this. Ready? Wow. Yeah, do you see all that lemon juice down there? Okay, let's do another. There we go. Whoa, this thing is just pressing out all of the juice. It looks so yummy. I bet it'd be really sour though. All right, I think that is plenty of lemon juice for our lemonade. All right, so we need to now pour this in our giant pitcher. There we go. All right, it has a little bit of pulp, but that's okay. Okay, so the lemons were free. So this cost us $0 to make. we're right on track. Okay, the next thing, let's add our water. Okay. Whoa! 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 Oh, that's a perfect amount. Okay. So the lemons were free. The water was 10 cents. Yeah. And now we need to sweeten it up. Because this is basically just like watered down lemon juice, which would be really tart and sour. So what we have right here is sugar. Yeah, that's a really tasty ingredient. You don't want to eat too much sugar though. But for the lemonade, we're gonna add 6 scoops. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Let's put that aside. Here we go. Woohoo! This lemonade is complete. All you really need to make lemonade are lemons, water, and sugar. But we have that extra ingredient from earlier, remember? Raspberries. Yeah, we're gonna make raspberry lemonade. But before we add those, let's calculate how much this lemonade has cost us thus far. Well, the lemons were free because we have a great friend. The water was 10 cents, and then the sugar was 40 cents. So right now we're at 50 cents for this whole pitcher. Whoa, all right. Now we can add our raspberries. Woo, oh, that silly one fell out. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna just use these. Ready? Here we go. Whoa, looks like they float. Whoa, raspberry lemonade. Okay, so now our total cost, let's calculate. So earlier it was 50 cents, and these raspberries cost me 50 cents from the grocery store. So 50 cents plus 50 cents is $1. Wow, this whole pitcher cost us $1. All right, let's put in some ice to chill it down, so then we can go and sell it. The ice was free, because our friend also has a freezer full of ice. So now that we have nice, cold lemonade, raspberry lemonade, we can go and sell it. I think there's about 8 cups in here, and our cost is $1. So 8 cups, if we sell them for $1, would be $8. And if we minus $1, that's $7. Whoa, we're gonna make $7. Let's go. Whoa, we did it. We built this amazing lemonade stand. We made some tasty lemonade. Yeah, now it's time to sell some lemonade. Here we go. Lemonade, lemonade. Who wants some lemonade?
I'd love some lemonade.
Oh, okay. How are you doing today?
Good, I'm a little thirsty.
Ooh, really? Well, it looks like I might have something just for you.
Oh, fantastic. How much is it?
It is $1.
$1. I got that right here.
Amazing.
Thank you. What kind is this?
This is not normal lemonade. It is raspberry lemonade. My favorite.
I can't wait to try. Thank you.
All right, see you later.
Bye.
Did you see that? You and I just made our very first lemonade sale. Good job. Well, this has been so much fun learning about business, how to make lemonade with you, and having fun along the way. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. Time to sell some more lemonade. Lemonade! Lemonade! Who wants some lemonade? Woo-hoo! Yeah!
Come on everyone, to learn about. It'll make you wanna